We are proud to present tutorials for lay women. Trust me, even though the title says lay women, this video tutorials is for everybody. Children, adolescents, teenagers, adults. In fact, I prefer to have more children watching these videos than adults because they can take their time and they can really get to learn. And let's face the truth, they know how to use the mobile devices more than we do. So in these tutorials, you will learn how to create beautiful stuffs like this using just your mobile phone, just the mobile phone. Another beautiful thing is the mobile phone, the tools on the mobile phone you'll be using are free, absolutely free, except you want premium services. But generally, the basic tools created all this you see. So I bet they can do whatever you want and you get to grow. So join us and watch our videos brought to you by Lord Please. Thank you.